Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells.
That's out of order, by the way. Good morning. It's day 2 here in Langkawi, in Malaysia, and it is bloody hot. That's all I could describe that with. Here we have a football pitch, but I didn't bring a football. Kind of gutted. Maybe I'll buy one. The only problem is a lot of pitch invaders, and I don't know if they're friendly. These wee guys here. Here's a top tip for travellers. If you like gin and tonic, like I do, and you want to be able to drink it in the street without anybody knowing, get a water bottle and put it in there, because everybody just assumes it's water, and you get a wee buzz on when you're walking about the street.
That's a very good idea. I think I'll share your water bottle with you.
This is Heisenberg. He's never seen Breaking Bad, so he's no idea what I'm on about. He's just agreeing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Hello. Hey, buddy. You're just sitting there like a proper player. Come on. We're walking up a hill to a place called, what's it called?
We're walking up a hill that's like that steep.
You probably can't tell, but
And
the
it's
gradient.
like 35-degree heat.
35-degree heat, 35-degree gradient, and we're going to a place called Seven Wells. It's a waterfall. We've been here before. There's monkeys. It's beautiful. It's in a jungle.
And I'm suddenly regretting the very heavy 5G.
Well, yeah, I didn't carry anything because I'm clever.
Photographer.
It's going to be well worth it when we get there, by the way. I promise you. You'll see. And I've run out of gin. That's the main thing. I ran out of gin. I'm pretty sure there's not a bar at the top at this waterfall, but you never know. Fingers crossed. Just tell everybody how hot it is, because they're probably not going to appreciate it.
Shit, it's real.
Give them a number, degrees wise. It must be like what, 30,
Million.
38 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit obviously, because nobody works in that anymore. I've got sweat dripping down my back into my bum crack and then storing itself in my boxer shorts for later.
Me too.
Oof. I'm not gonna lie, that was some trek up here and I'm sweating so bad. It was well worth it, because check this out. Wow! Breathe that in! Breathe it in! That is some view! And then look at this!
Not scared, not scared.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Oh, is it? That was the best fun ever. I was like a child again. I love sliding down water and it's like a free water park. Whew. So much fun. And I needed that because I was roasting hot and I feel chilled now. How was it for you, Han?
Much water out there, much water.
Yeah, it was lovely. Have you been up there?
Yeah.
In your Speedos? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Just wandering around Langkawi Main Street, or some street, trying to find somewhere to change some British money for some Malaysian ringgits, because that's what they do here. Malaysian ringgits, and I need some because I've run out. Thank you. Does this shop even sell anything? taxi, and we're going to a place called the Oriental Village because there's an elephant there called Lhasa, and I don't know if you know much about
We want to get him to a sanctuary.
what humans do to elephants to make it so other humans can ride them. It's not very nice anyway, I'm not going about it. We're going there to take some pictures of the elephant and try and show the world exactly what's done
I'm worried about
to these wonderful creatures.
I've been
Hannah feels very strongly about it and I support anything that Hannah wants to do. So that's what we're doing now.
32.
No, just 30. I give you discount.
Oh right. Oh.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
He was by far the nicest taxi driver we have met since we've been in Malaysia. Thank you. He was called Appy and he says happy to meet you. Bye Appy.
Bye. Happy. Can I just see the animals?
Yeah, sure. $2 per person.
I know there's elephant.
We also have elephant ride. Yes, sir.
So it's elephant and tiger.
Yeah.
Is that an animal that looks happy? Honestly, do you think that looks happy? Of course not. He wants to be in the wild, like most animals should be. They're wild animals. You should be in the wild. Honestly, humans, what are you doing to this planet? Not fair. It's really not fair. Hannah, how'd it go?
It was hard. Oh no! I didn't do it.
See, whenever I see a row of scooters or mopeds like that, my first thought is to just like knock over that one and do like a domino effect. What does that make me? Does that make me a bad person? Or does that just make me a good laugh? Should I do it? No, it's wrong. I shan't do it. But it'd be funny, right? A monkey just tried to steal my bottle thinking it was water. Imagine if it had its gin and tonic. I would be responsible for a drunk monkey. Nobody wants that. I proper love this country, by the way. I know I always go on about how beautiful Scotland is. If I could afford to, I would move and I would live in Malaysia. I mean, look at this scenery behind me here, look at that. And everyone's so friendly here, honestly, like, it's so laid back. This would be my new home if I could, but obviously I've got too many ties to Scotland. But at least I'm lucky enough to be able to travel to places like this, which a lot of people aren't. And I know I probably always go on about it and sound a bit soppy, but I really do appreciate my life. It's nice to get a wee reminder of Scotland out here in Malaysia. It's raining and it's quite bad. Have a look. It doesn't last very long and the rain's quite warm, but it's rain. Rightio people of YouTube, I am saying goodbye for today. I've had a great day because I just have, and I'm with this special one. We've had a few gins. It's probably not affected my mood in the slightest. I think I stay the same pretty much all the time. You decide.
You're happier when you drink.
No, I'm always happy. Anyway, I've got a really sore bum, by the way, when I jumped into that waterfall rock pool thing. Ow! I landed on my bum! I landed on my bum. I think I've broken my coccyx. Anyway, it's a good laugh. What normally happens here?
You say your goodbye thing.
I say goodbye, so goodbye to positivity. No, hello to positivity. I love everybody today because I'm in one of those moods. And here comes the aeroplane no, not aeroplane, helicopter headbutt.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplane, 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 boom.